Hello and happy new year. I am back with another rum unboxing. I got another little rum box subscription box. Oh, you can't see that? There you go. Little rum box subscription box unboxing. I got one of these last month. I did a video on this last month. We got some nice coffee rum and we got some nice botanical rum. Both are gone and both are also being repurchased. But yeah, we're back with the January box. I have not opened this, I don't know what's inside of it, but I thought we could just get started and just see what we got this month. Let's go. So as always, when you open it, it's got the little card, the little info. We'll look at that. And at the end, it gives you little sneak peeks. It gives you two cards. Can't see that at all. Two little cards for what rums is, and there are the rums, the two rums. I love the size of this box. I love the size of the rums. It's just a good like sample size, you know. This one looks kind of pale. I think this one, I mean, it's not a white rum. This one is a honey rum, a little honey rum. That looks very nice. Again, it's not a white rum, but it is quite a pale dark rum. I think this will be very nice in a Coke or something. We can read the little card on it in a minute and we'll see what it suggests, because it all suggests good things. This one is a tad darker, as you can see, but it is just a spiced rum, no particular flavour. Burning barn rum, whatever that means. I'm very interested to try both of these, and then the box is now empty. I'm very interested to try both of these. I'm interested to see what they both smell like, what they both taste like. I'm going to get some Coke in a glass. I don't have that on me at the moment. It is also 11 o'clock in the morning, but who cares. I'm always sad to like break the labels. So this is the Burning Barn Spice Rum. Ooh, it smells smoky. That smells smoky. That one's going to be really nice, and a really nice thing of Coke, which we will try. Again, you can't read that. The Burning Barn Coke. That one smells really nice and smoky. And this is a honey rum. I wonder how much we'll be able to smell the honey. Oh, you can smell the honey. It smells a bit chocolatey too, but you can definitely smell the spice, you can smell the smokiness. Again, I think that'll be nice. That could even be nice with an orange juice. I like an orange juice in a rum. But let's read the two cards that we got on them. Okay, so they both suggest drinking with Coke. The burning, I'll put the screenshots on screen again. It also suggests to have it with lime, a slice of lime. I'm not a big fan of Coke and lime, so I probably wouldn't do that. I'm not a big fan of garnishes in general, but you know. But the story for this one's really interesting, and I mean, you can pause and read. I'll put it like here or something. But yeah, it's all very interesting about how it's like inspired from the fire that was on their land. Which is a shame. But this one I find funny, because this is the one that says have with Coke. So this is the honey rum. This is the one that said have a Coke and then a garnish of orange. Did I not just say I'd have this with orange juice? And they're saying to garnish it with orange. That's funny. But apparently there's also orange blossom in here and also crystallized ginger in it. Maybe that's where I was getting the orange inspiration from, because I could smell orange. I'm not sure, but I just thought it'd be nice with orange juice. So I think I might actually try it with orange juice rather than Coke. I don't actually have any orange juice, but I do have Coke, so for the taste test I'll be doing with Coke. But yeah, again, the story for both of these is very interesting. I'm interested to try them, so that is the next step. Let's do that now. Okay, lighting may have changed, angles may have changed, but we're back. I've got my two glasses don't have any mixers because there's none in the house. I don't fancy mixing it with milk, so straight rum it is. So we'll just open this back up, and I think I did this last time. I'm pretty sure I just drank them straight last time. Start with the Burning Barn spice rum. I know I'm going to prefer these with Coke and not straight because they are kind of light, but tiniest amount. Smells good though. Cheers. Ooh, bit of a nose burn. Ooh. That one's nice. That one is nice. See, that one's like some ice. Very smooth. Very, very smooth. Burning my nose a little bit. Just in the first sip. Second sip, absolutely fine. That with a little bit of a nice Coke. That'll be good. I do enjoy that one. That's going to look really nice on my now empty bar cart after Christmas. Get that one back in there. That one was good. I enjoyed that one. I think I preferred that one to the botanical rum from last month. That one was... yeah, that one's good. But now, I probably should have like a little thing in the middle to like refresh my palate, but are we that fancy on this channel? No. Let's try the honey rum now. I know this one, I think I will really enjoy this one with some orange juice, but I don't have any orange juice in my house. And it'll also be nice with Coke. I can already feel it. But I have neither. So, tiniest little boop, boop. Tiniest little amount because I had got 3 sips out of the last glass. It really smells like chocolate. It really smells like the chocolate orange rum that I've had before, which must be the orange blossom because it does say there's orange blossom in this. I'm not smelling honey, but I am smelling orange. This one is going to be my favourite, I think. That one's a good one. I could drink that straight. I could drink that neat. There was no burn to that one. That one, yeah, that was nice. That one had a lot of flavour to it. Smelled a lot smokier than it tasted. Didn't taste that smoky. It tasted very floral, which again is probably the honey blossom, the orange blossom, sorry. And it is orange blossom. I could taste flowers and chocolate, but I'm pretty sure it's just the orange blossom and maybe the crystallized ginger. Maybe that's what I'm tasting. Maybe I'm just tasting the orange blossom and the crystallized ginger. But no, that one's really nice. I will definitely be repurchasing that one. Yeah, would recommend. That one is really nice. I like that one a lot. So those are the 2 rums from this month's little rum box. Let me know which one do you think you would prefer. Let me know if you've got these. Let me know if you'd repurchase any of these. I think I'll definitely repurchase both because both of those are nice. Yeah, I like those a lot. Those are good. So far I'm very happy with this subscription box. 4 for 4, really. Very, very good. Enjoyed them a lot. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Hope you had a nice time watching, I guess. And see you in the next one. Bye.